Another chest day in the books. Super pumped, super happy. Today I got to the gym and I felt a little exhausted and tired. So in return I decided to reward / punish myself. Did a 7x15. So it was good. I feel great now. I'm happy that I did it. And I started out with some Serpine natural grip presses, Smith machine incline, and machine dips, and then some pec deck row flies. Give it a shot if you got the courage.